In Java, one of the ways to get input from the user is to use a scanner. First, to use the scanner, you must import java.util.scanner at the top of the file. Then you must declare the variable scanner sc equals new scanner system.in. What this line means is this scanner is going to take an input from what the user types on the keyboard. First, we'll ask the user their age, so system.out.println, enter age. Then we'll write the line to get the input from the user. Int age equals sc.nextInt. What that line does is reads what the user types, finds the first int it can, then stores that in the age variable. What it crucially doesn't do, though, is consume the new line. When the user enters input, they press enter when they're finished typing their input. That enter press is denoted with a newLine character, what the scanner reads. Why that's all important you'll see next. Now, if we ask the user for their name, meaning do the printout, then do scanner.nextLine, the scanner won't give the user a chance to enter anything. This is because nextLine reads until it finds the next newLine character. Because nextInt didn't consume the newLine character, the call to nextLine will see the newLine character, then consume it and stop because it consumed the one single newLine character it was supposed to consume. The best solution to this is to add a sc.nextLine after the call to nextInt, so the newLine is consumed, and calls after nextInt can work as intended. Like and subscribe to learn more.